Alright viewers, so the storm is over. As you can see, we are all safe. Thanks be to God. Come on, for his blessing, you know. Could have been way worse. So I'm gonna take a little drive on the road. So I'm gonna drive out this car right now, full of leaf. Yeah man, so I'm gonna take a drive out just to go and check the roads and see some of the damages. Yeah man, so yeah, let's go. Yeah peeps, so I'm gonna take a little drive out on the road them, go see what I go on, see the little damages them, or the big damages them where Hurricane Beryl did. So yeah man, stay tuned. Alright people, so this is one of the house that the storm hit really bad. I uploaded a video before this one. In that video you could see one of the tree coming down on it. Yeah man, sure now I'm going. I'm just doing some little sightseeing. Oh my, wow. Yo peeps, that house look really bad. Yeah man, so I want to big up all the people that were pray for us out here. I don't know vibes. The boy Motorsport JA is okay. Also the Motorsport JA car is okay, just full of leaves at the moment, but it's okay. I had a mesh in here so no leaf can go inside. Yeah man, but everything is okay so far. Gonna go on the main road right now and continue my sightseeing. Me come check my virgin. Yo, crazy. Yo, you're lucky man.
What's so lucky about it? Come on here.
One motorsport there.
You're lucky.
Lucky about?
Go link up my virgin Hall Lane.
Yeah, where you
Don't know if I'm. I can look if I safe, bro.
Oh, yeah, we see.
I see you safe, bud, you know?
You live in. We don't see it.
You live in? So, yo, how was this time, man?
It's not a good experience, you know.
Yeah.
Right now, we need to talk to Andrew Wallace, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because you're talking about selling food to other countries.
You
want food?
You say what? Yeah, man.
I want some sponsors for.
Yeah.
I need some sponsors for some fencing.
Yeah.
Stuff, and some guys to come and help with it.
But the greatest thing you have life is your smile. You drink rum.
That is it.
Yeah, man. So
One motorsport in the weather.
Where is it?
One motorsport
All the
in the weather.
all the bananas when me ship go a Cuba, yeah, the banana them cut down.
Yo, people.
Find a pretty youth, you know.
Yeah. Well, I'm glad you're safe though, bro.
Good experience.
Yeah,
We
man.
have life, so we are right.
Yes, alright, mommy.
We have life. Life and greatest.
One up, man. One.
Look aside scene. Another tree fall on a house over there. Yo, people. That right here. This right here is actually a road, you know. This is actually a road. My words. Yeah, man. Crazy. Some thing blew off a roof over there, so. Big things, people. Big things. Hey, the bud. Yo. Big things. Big roof blow off. Yeah, man. People look on the road. Look on the road. On the tree, the big tree blow them and thing. You want breadfruit? I have a lot of breadfruit right now. Place them blow down. It's a Jai Chi community. Where you say you're going?
Say a boy in our weather.
Are you blowing the whole place?
I don't want to Beryl this man.
Oh?
Beryl.
Yeah, place blow down people. Yeah, what in the weather? What you say? Everything good? Alright, my general. Alright. Open a mud hole. Well, peeps, could have been worse. I'm not sure how the other parishes are doing, but this is how it looks in some parts of Jamaica right now. So right now I'm down in Westmoreland doing some sightseeing. Hey peeps, my gas tank is empty right now, so I'm going home to park. I'm going home to park this car and drive out the other little one. That one have a lot of gas in it because that is the emergency car. So yeah, so I'm back now on the road. We have gas. We have gas. Go and video place. Oh God. So this is the storm. This is the after storm. Let me look over my church. Yeah man, church is doing okay. Yeah man, church is doing okay. Yeah man. Whoa. Yeah man, yes sir. Sink off a roof. Now go on, you're good. Alright. Carried it under that garage right there. Garage breakdown on it. Yeah. Tree drop down in our road. Well, we have to give God thanks, peeps. Could have been worse. Although other parishes, other section of the island got hit harder than this section. Oh, when liquor squeezed through. My words. So you can see that the road was blocking on somebody. Oh, big tree falling on our road. Still driving through. Wow, that shop lucky. Alright people, so on my journey I reached south. Yeah man. This is Savannah Lamar in Westmoreland, Jamaica. Look what going people. Big tree pop down. The effect of Hurricane Beryl. Just a look at Jarchi town, showing how I'm going. Just a look at Jarchi town, showing how I'm going. Signs and blow down. Signs and below them. Alright, so this is Godfrey Stewart High School. Yeah man, school looking okay. School looking okay so far. Well, in the town area looks good. So this is after the storm. the gas station, peeps. Texical, Grab and Go, Savlamore. Only gas station open at the moment. It's a long line. Long line at the gas station. Have a KFC over there. KFC. Not open today. Yeah, man. That is not a usual thing for the KFC. The robe is this gas station is closed. Alright, so this is still Savlamore. Call this section Hendon. We have some power lines down. Passing by Varsity Garage. Stop and give my links in here. Stop and give Z Boss a link. Yeah, me think it's time blow you with daddy.
Oh, man, me bless you, man.
Where you say bless?
Yeah, man.
Jano. Yeah, man, people, so just a Porsche place. Boss machine, alright. Boss in a chair chop down. Careful, you know, man. Yeah, man. Great boss, see that not you know. Machine firm. Boy, I'm just a giant cheap place. A video I go and I show you people and walk on so everything up and running, you know. See, look at people. She fell, but you don't know. Not over the side where Bossy is. Fell over other section. Where you go with? Where is he going? Brawling. Alright, people, so where is he going? People, so that's it for me. I was just showing you what Hurricane Beryl did to my section of the island, Jamaica. Yeah, man, so it could have worse, so we have to give thanks. We have to give thanks. Don't know if you see me? This is not a car This is not a car related content, but we just are showing our gun. So peace and love. Big up on yourself. Stay safe. Motorsport JA.